Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to drive Honda Pilot 2025 step by step. Start by adjusting the seat and mirrors for clear sight lines, then set steering wheel tilt and reach. Locate the gear shifter, parking brake, pedals, and infotainment. Check blind spots and practice smooth throttle and brake inputs in a quiet parking lot. Learn basic lane positioning and gentle turns before driving on busier roads. Familiarize yourself with the Pilot's basic controls in this easy step. Practice shifting from park to drive smoothly while keeping your foot on the brake. Learn to use the electronic parking brake and brake hold for convenience on hills and in traffic. Spend time feeling the throttle response and braking rhythm in a safe area. This builds confident, comfortable driving habits before you take to busier roads or highways. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like for more helpful tips. Quick recommendation: the Echo Dot smart speaker is perfect for the Pilot cabin to play directions, podcasts, and hands-free calls with clear sound. It's a small upgrade that keeps your focus on driving while adding entertainment and convenience. Check the description for the link and other deals, and now let's get back to the video. Explore the Pilot's safety features to make driving easier and safer. Turn on adaptive cruise control to maintain distance from traffic and reduce fatigue on long drives. Activate lane, keep assist to help you stay centered in your lane during highway travel. Rely on blind spot monitoring and rear cross traffic alert when changing lanes or reversing in tight spots. Practice using these systems to understand their alerts and limits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.